Another day, another vlog. And for today's video, we are going to go thrifting. If you're a new immigrant here in Tate, kailangang wais ka. Abay dapat naman, lalo na kapag you're just starting to establish a career and say you just moved into a new place. The best way to save money is to go thrifting. I'll show you some of the most popular go-to thrift shops here in our area and other places where you can score cool stuff for cheap. By the way mga kapatid, ang reference po natin ay dito sa suburbs of Chicago. First stop, Sparrow's Nest. You'll find almost everything in this shop. Kitchen essentials, home decor, clothes, shoes, at eto pa, may living room and dining room sets sila and different pieces of home furniture. So say for example, bago lang kayo sa area and tight ang budget, this is the place for you. Quick backstory lang tayo mga kapatid. When me and my husband moved to our new house, this is where we bought our first ever eat-in dining set. Gawa siya sa hardwood kaya maganda ang kalidad and 4-seater siya. Tapos nabili lang namin for only $80. Kung bibili kayo siguro sa isang department store, aabot rin kayo ng $500 to $800 sa ganung klase ng dining room set. Best part was, when we decided to let that one go, ibinalik rin namin siya sa Sparrow's Nest. And I guess that's one of the best parts of our experience with the shop. You can donate it back and they'll pick that up at your place. Second stop, Goodwill. This is by far one of the most popular thrift shops all over the US. And I have to admit, suki ako dito. Etong branch kasi na to is literally walking distance from our house. Mainly, what you'll find here are house decor, kitchen items, cookware, electronics, and a ton of apparel. Ukay-ukay talaga ang dating. Pero through the years daw, parang hindi na rin ganun ka-practical bumili dito kasi medyo mahal na, considering na puro donated items naman ang mga gamit dito. But, here's the thing about thrift shops here in the US. Most of their earnings go to the communities they serve. With Goodwill, they support people who face challenges finding work. They also collaborate with various local nonprofits, government agencies, and community organizations to address broader social needs. Final stop, estate sale. Pero ano nga ba ang estate sale?
So, when you say estate sale, ito yung mga bahay na binibenta na tapos meron silang parang move-out sale, ganyan. Either, minsan ang dahilan is yung the owner ng house is pupunta na sa isang senior care facility or wala, ibebenta lang nila tapos magda-downsize. So, yung mga gamit doon, minsan gusto na lang nilang ibenta.
Honestly, I take pleasure in going to different estate sales, lalo na pag yayamanin yung may-ari ng bahay. Kasi quality yung mga gamit eh. So, pipiliin mo rin talaga yung pupuntahan mong estate sale. And it happens all year round. Typically, an estate sale goes on for 3 days, and on the last day, they do 50 to 75% off on all items. If you have an eye for quality items, some of the shoppers resell them at a higher price.
So, ito yung nabili natin sa estate sale. Surprisingly, hindi siya old stuff. Brand new nga to eh. Anyway, medyo namahalan ako sa mga presyo dun sa estate sale. Usually kasi dapat pag estate sale mababa eh. Pero medyo mahal to kasi maganda yung mga gamit. So, ayun, tsambahan din.
Personally, ang binibili ko sa mga thrift stores ay mga gamit sa bahay talaga. As a matter of fact, karamihan ng mga home decors ko galing sa mga thrift shops. And there's no shame in that. Basta magaling kang pumili ng gamit, parang naka-jackpot ka rin. At the end of the day, it's all about being smart with your money. And dun tayo sa ikasasaya ng puso mo.